Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way out the door as a family to Target. Woo woo, let's go. So we're in and out of the house because a couple reasons. We are spending time as a family, so we wanted to take a look at what Target has to offer for decor for fall. But also the power company has asked us to not use as much power from 2 to 9 p.m. So we're getting like record highs, and if you haven't been watching the news, even Death Valley has hit like an all-time high ever of 130 degrees, and it feels like that here today. So actually it doesn't. We're starting to get a monsoon, the first one really of the season. So you can kind of see behind me the sky is pretty gray. It's super humid and it's like 111, but take a look at the sky. So it is coming in from that side, so I don't even think we're gonna get it, but we're still getting a little bit cooler drop in temperature. But it'd be nice if it was gonna rain, right? I like monsoons.
I do too.
Super cute. You could put some candle in there. I like that. That's cute. Ooh. It says it's a peel and stick vinyl. I have it in this kind. I love it. Alright. I love this stuff. This one's more fall. I love that. I think that feels like more like spring and summer. Ooh. Oh, you guys, look at this cuteness. You know, we were eating dinner by candlelight tonight, and this would have been perfect. Put some of those in them. Oh, I love it. Got some fun Halloween stuff. That's cute. All ready for the parties. Here's some more fall stuff. Good for centerpieces. What does this say? It's an arrangement grid. I like that kind of chicken wire look. This is the cutest. It's like a real plate. It's not like plastic. $5, and it has like a little recipe on that. I love it. Those are cute little decor. Those would probably go really good with these little plates. Very, very cute. And these ones, what is this? It's like a, oh, it's a grid for making a wreath. Oh, I like that. Then they have some different colored tea lights. So they have some that are these different colors. I like it. He wants to look at clothes. That's kind of a first. One of our boys actually wants to go look at a shirt. What are you looking for? Whoa, 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 what you doing? I'm a shirt. You like that one?
Yes.
Okay, so mask up. Let me see it. Let me see it again. I think that's going to be a nice one. He loves things with space, huh?
Yep.
Why do you like space so much?
I don't know.
You just do? So you guys, let me know in the comments if your Target is having the Halloween stuff. We have nothing, like not even Halloween candy area, which is completely unheard of because usually Halloween stores open September 1st, and it's getting very close to that. So hopefully in at least the next week or so, things will start popping up. Ooh. Love this black and white combo. Ooh, this is pretty. Just real clean, you guys. Looks like fall is for clean and neutrals. Love it. I love that big wreath. Oh, but then look at these. These are so cute. These like amber. $5.99. That's not too bad. Pretty garland. So this garland has like a touch of pink to it. Ooh, I love it. So more of those like neutral colors. And you guys look, the fall has a touch of pink, it looks like. Love it. Oh, I have these already in our house.
Fig leaves?
The big stems. But I think I need some of this, and some of that, and some of this. Yes, check please.
What I want is, for the backyard, I want a longhorn skull
Oh, for the backyard,
to hang on the wall.
by your barbecue stuff.
But I want a longhorn like that one.
That is cool. Here is more fall, you guys. Look how pretty that magnolia wreath is. Oh, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you are a fan of fall. I just see all of this is like pinks. I love this. It's kind of like my front porch basket. And actual pumpkins. Ooh, I love that. I'm gonna show right now. Ooh, for the table, that'd be so pretty, huh? And look, they have this blue pumpkin. My mother-in-law loves this blue.
I think one of each would be nice.
I do love collections of pumpkins. This is very nice, this kind of wicker one. Ooh, I love this. This what is it called? Well, it's called a terrarium. But you would turn that upside down and you'd have something underneath it. Put some florals. Another thing that Target has that's really good are clearances. So if you can find like these end caps, they usually have like clearance. I love the pink. So here's my Mrs. Meyer's area, and pretty empty. I need the fall stuff. Let me know if you're starting to see the fall stuff show up at your Target. So now that we're all done at Target, we thought we'd go and get a little bit of ice cream. So we just got Paul's favorites. He's got vanilla in there with coconut pineapple. That's good, huh? And then you got the coconut pineapple, but you have your mask on. And then I always get this one.
Right,
Thank
so
you. Chocolate brownie. Yum. I don't know if you guys can see this, but right behind that building, it looks like it's raining and you can see it coming down. So not only did Ezra, Jonas is doing chores, not only did Ezra get that cute little shirt, but I ended up getting that cute little wreath and this golden wreath hanger so I can make a wreath in the future. So now we just have to enjoy our ice cream and enjoy our evening and look at this beautiful sunset. So the storm has passed. So thanks so much for going with us shopping at Target, and hopefully more of the fall stuff will be out in the next week or so. So I'll have to show you what comes in very soon. So have a wonderful evening, everyone, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.